After breakout of this trend line, price trade inside this range and then retest this trend line right at 1862, this horizontal support which was tested right here. If market hold this level for upcoming days, then buyer will target for 1932, which has been tested 3 times. Daily candle or any candle on 4-hour time frame closing above this level will give the confidence for buyer, and they will target for 1776. If price break this level and candle close above it, then they will target this all-time high. This trade setup is only valid till market hold this level. If we go to daily chart, then we don't have much different but fewer candle with more clear support and resistance. 1862 level was tested many times on daily chart. Right here it was tested 4 times. Every time price come at this level, it got rejection and candle close above it. Last week happened same, price tested this trend line and market close above it. If we draw horizontal line at the closing of all this candle, then this candle was closed below this line and market immediately went more lower. If same thing happen here, if daily candle close below 1862, then market will went more lower to 1818. Before price reaching here, daily candle will have to be close above this level, which has been tested many times, will confirm bullish trend. Wave counting of this area is not clear on daily chart, it is more clear on 4-hour chart, and this is something like ending diagonal A, B, C, D, E. Ending diagonal happen only in 5th impulsive wave. It does not happen in first wave. It can happen in ABC wave. It can happen in wave A of ABC. On this wave counting, we have wave A, wave B and C, which can reverse from 1776. For bullish trend, we have many reasons. Britain and Europe is locked down again, and we have new coronavirus cases in US, election uncertainty and many more. So price could easily reach 1776 in this week, because anything can happen in election. Let's say this level got broken and candle closed below this, because we have ABC correction, then you should definitely see weekly chart. We have 3 consecutive bearish candle on weekly chart, and last week candle was closed below 2 previous candle. This week candle can easily close below 1862 and retest these 2 level. 382 Fibonacci retracement of entire trend from 1451 to 2075, and 50% retracement is below 1765, the high of first wave. if candle close below this level, then price could easily reach these two level, and lots of advance buy are there at 1836, because we have two lower low and this will create third lower low. If that happen, then seller from here to here will exit at the same time and new more buyer will come. Before price reached here at 1670, before that it made correction ABCDE 5 wave. Similar could happen here, A, B, C, D, then E. We can have election, a result of this election in this year. What tenure of the president will start in next year, so any important announcement will be in next year. We can expect correction market in November and December.